What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shantae, and today's video is going to be
and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday. It means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day.
how I made this beautiful Happy Holidays outdoor sign right here. Now, I did have some hiccups that you will not see most of them in the video, but this board is totally DIY. Like, I didn't even know that what was going to happen would happen. I live in Chicago, which is a windy city, and it is living up to its name this year. So I really had some hiccups with how to keep the letters on the board when it got knocked over by the wind. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to have my husband like somehow barricade it to the wall, or like tack it to the wall somehow so that it doesn't, or the brick outside, so that it doesn't blow away and then knock down and, you know, the letters scatter everywhere. But anyway, I will put a link to where I got the letters below. I think I got them on Amazon. They were really inexpensive. And also these cute little snowflakes that you see here, I also got those from Amazon. What you don't see in the video is how I got this board to be this pretty rich brown color. What we did was we went to Lowe's and we got, I will put the dimensions of the board below because I didn't have to get anything cut. You could get it cut if you want to, that's your prerogative, but I didn't get anything cut. So I will leave the link to the dimensions of the board below. And we just went to Lowe's and we just picked up the board and we brought it home. We also got some stain. I will leave the link to that as well below. We got that, the staining we got from Lowe's as well, and we just put on like I think 3 or 4 coats of stain because it kept going through the wood, so that was kind of weird. But so it didn't really look right, so but we stained it about 3 or 4 times, and then we got this pretty brown rich color, which is exactly what I wanted. If you want to know how I did this, go ahead and keep on watching. While I wait on my hot glue gun to heat up, I am just going to get my letters prepped. I already had some letters in snowflakes already stuck on the board because, like I told you before, I did this, but for some reason the wind kept blowing it over and the letters kept falling off. But this time I'm just going to re-hot glue the letters back to the board, and I'm going to tack it to the brick outside so that the wind cannot knock it over this time. So let's just go ahead and hot glue these suckers back to the board and get it back outside. So instead of putting the glue on the letters like I did last time, I'm putting the glue on the boards. Maybe smashing them down will help to secure them to the board a little bit more than just putting them on, just putting the glue on the letters. So hopefully maybe that will work. I don't know, but I do know that securing the board to the wall will be even better, but we will definitely
see what happens. So Hubs found some string and tacked this baby to the wall with a nail that was like already there, and this thing is stuck. It is not moving. So I'm so grateful and glad for that. And yeah, I don't think the wind is gonna knock this one down anytime soon.
If you guys found this video helpful, definitely don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel because you don't want to miss all the other goodies that we have in store coming for you guys. I appreciate you. I love you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and